What is up, everybody? I hope you're all well. Just a short ride today. I've been sent home to work and it's my turn to head into the office. We're taking it in turns to the management group, have somebody there for support. So it's my day today, just a shortened shift, and I thought it was a good opportunity. I can park closer to the office from on the bike. I get to sneak a ride in, and I'm testing a new microphone. So I've lashed out. I know those that watch me regularly will know that my microphone hasn't been great. So I've lashed out and brought myself a big squid, which I've taped into the cheek pad, and hopefully it's picking up my voice better than the previous mic. So what's the news here? Tassie's been locked down. We've got a moat around us and we're using the damn thing. So no one in. Only required service can come into the state and or people that live here. So apparently you need to show some sort of identification before you can board boat and or plane. And when you arrive in the state, you're whisked away and put into isolation for a period of 2 weeks prior to you being allowed to go home to your actual home. So we're keeping the numbers down. I think we're still only in double figures here, which is pretty good. People are heeding some of the advice on the self-isolation, staying at home over the weekend. Still quite a few people working, but it's a different world. A lot of distancing. People are pretty good with it. We come home another way. Oh man, it's good to be out on the bike. Even if it is just to go to work, come home. My mental health treatment for the week. Still more people about than what you'd like to see, but who's to say? I'm classed as an essential service, so maybe all these guys are too. I don't know what they're doing. They could be doctors and nurses going home from shift or delivering medication. I'm not going to judge. See down there, that's down into the city of Launceston, and it is pretty quiet. Good on you guys. Stay at home if you can. Thoughts and prayers are with everybody out there. Keep well, stay home if you can, keep isolated. let's get through this. Another very unimportant matter. How's this microphone? I guess we'll need to get out on the highway to really test it. Okay folks, I'm going to cut you off here because I'm probably not allowed to take you into the office. So I'll talk to you later. Okay, day done at the office. Sneak home the long way, zip up the highway and check out this microphone. Thank you. Okay folks, let's give this microphone a test now. I know we're only doing 80 and 90 k's. So buffering. Haven't got the leak curtain in. Beard might be doing some work in that front. Trying to actually make the bike labour a bit, so it's a bit loud. It'll be a good test. The difference between the microphones. Around this loop here and 110 will give it a squirt. See if it's any better there. Let's cut it straight to there. Get rid of this slow shit. Just because you can. Okay. Let's see what this microphone's like. Okay, we're at full speed, legal speed on the highway. Microphone in the cheek pad. And we're just ticking along. Hopefully that's picking up nice and clear. I'll be very happy if that sorts that out. Put in a bit of a vein doing this audio prep. Beautiful day. There's the test done. Okay folks, thanks for coming along. Please keep safe and well. Short-term pain, long-term gain. Let's beat this damn virus so we can get the hell out and do what it is that we love to do. And I'll talk to you all next time. Take care.